Welcome to our IPTV installation guide today. Are you looking to stream your favorites? Finding a trusted IPTV provider is challenging, but don't worry. We have a solution. Visit 2tv.store for the best service. Now let's start installing IPTV on Firestick. First, turn on your Firestick device. Navigate to the home screen interface. Locate the search option at the top. Search for the app called Downloader. Select Downloader and click Download. Once downloaded, open the Downloader app. Enter the URL of the IPTV app you prefer. Click Go to start downloading the app. After downloading, click Install to proceed. Wait a moment for the installation to finish. Once installed, open the IPTV app. Enter your IPTV subscription credentials carefully. Your IPTV setup is almost ready now. Navigate through various channels and content. Enjoy your favorite shows and movies seamlessly. Don't forget to tweak your settings. Like and subscribe for more informative content. Happy streaming with your IPTV service.